Hey guys, I got the iSpring gravity fed stainless steel countertop water filtration system here. And the fillers did send this to me to review for you guys, but I'm excited to have this. This is a beautiful stainless steel design, print resistant, and you have the top part right here that has you put the filters into. And then the bottom part is where the filtered water goes into, and you have it in there to drink from. So this is insulated. The filters are carbon activated, so they reduce up to 99% of chlorine and everything. And they also filter out over 200 contaminants that are in your water. So these are really great water filters, really awesome to have, and just something to get that clean water, because water is the most important thing for your body, and having clean water is the best thing that you can do for it. So this does come with a rubber seal on the bottom, rubber gasket around the edge, and a metal spigot, so you're not going to worry about plastic one break-in or anything like that. And again, insulated stainless steel material. It does come with a stand here, and it is a sturdy stand as opposed to one that could bend or whatever over time. Then all you need to do to set this up is you have the two holes in the top part of the filter, and you have the two filters that you just screw on, unscrew right there, put it in and screw it on, which I'll do here in a second. And then once the filters are in there, all you have to do is fill up the top, and clean water comes out the bottom. So really awesome, really nice looking. Having that clean drinking water is going to be really good for you and your family. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up and get some fresh water and see how it tastes. All right, got some fresh water from the filters and everything. Let's see how it tastes. That's good water. It definitely does a good job in cleaning that water. It tastes really good, and I'm really excited to have this in our house. So if this video is helpful for you guys in making a decision, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next review video. Thanks.